A jury is deciding the fate of a 39-year-old man accused of killing his wife nearly 13 years ago. Prosecutors say Nick Firkus shot and killed his wife Heidi because he hadn't told her that they were going to be evicted from their home. Firkus's defense team has said that a confrontation with an intruder caused him to fire his gun, shooting and killing Heidi. John Lordson was in the Ramsey County courtroom today for closing arguments.
After a number of witnesses took the stand on Thursday, Judge Leonardo Castro scheduled closing arguments for Friday morning. The courtroom was so packed that people were sitting on the floor. Both the prosecution and the defense spoke for more than an hour, using various forms of evidence to their benefit. The state went first, arguing that Nick Firkus took Heidi's life to save his reputation. They say the couple have been having money problems for some time, and Heidi knew about them. But prosecutors say what she didn't know was that Firkus hadn't paid the mortgage in 22 months and that their home had been foreclosed. Records show they were a day away from being evicted. They asked the jury to focus on the elements surrounding Heidi's death, saying Firkus was worried his wife would be upset if she found out and that he would lose friends and standing at his church. Prosecutors argued that Firkus's fear and shame of being exposed as a fraud led to the shooting. But his attorneys say that's not true and that someone else played a role in Heidi's death. On the morning of April 25, 2010, Firkus told his wife that a burglar was trying to break into their home. So he grabbed his gun and followed Heidi downstairs while she called 911. Firkus's attorneys argue that he struggled with an intruder the day his wife was killed, and the shotgun in his hand went off twice. One of those shots went through Heidi's back, killing her while she was on the phone with 911. Another shot went through Firkus's leg. During closing arguments, attorney Robert Richmond argued that Heidi knew about the impending eviction and financial problems, and that killing her didn't make sense because it wouldn't have saved Firkus's reputation. He added that friends talked about how strong a relationship the Firkuses had, and after 13 years, there still isn't substantial evidence to convict Nicholas Firkus. In St. Paul, John Lordson, WCCO 4 News.
The jury is expected to deliberate into the night. They will not be sequestered over the weekend. If they don't reach a verdict today, deliberations resume on Monday morning.